Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm going to show you how to block marketing emails from Amazon. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to block marketing emails from Amazon. So let's get started. So guys, to block emails from Amazon, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar Amazon and press enter. Now simply click on first link and here you can see our Amazon homepage. So to block emails, here you can see the account option. So from here you can create your account or simply if you have an account, so you can simply sign up. So I already have created my account. So after that, simply click on your account and scroll down. And here you can see the option of communication and content. And in this option, you can see the option of communication preferences. So simply click on communication preferences, scroll down. And here you can see promotional emails. As it is written, you are receiving emails from 105 departments. So simply click on it. So you can see this is all 105 departments that are sending me promotional emails. So you can also turn off emails by unchecking this one by one. But if you want to stop the notifications from all these departments, so scroll down and here you can see the option of do not send me any marketing emails for now. So simply check this box. And after that simply click on update and here you can see written your setting has been saved, so means that we have stopped the notifications from Amazon. So you can also stop marketing emails from Amazon by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.